Markets are moving. The bell is coming. This is before the market opens.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Benjamin Poole, and today we're going to go over all the movers in the market. And the first one we're going to start out with is the S&P 500. So I was doing a little bit of technical analysis, and I actually have an upside target of about $816 on the SPY. So let me go ahead and show that chart for you guys real quick. So the SPY, what I'm seeing is we do have this upswing trend line. So this resistance for a potential day trade is at $784.31. However, I've taken this low pivot point here to the high pivot point. Notice all of this bullish consolidation. This is creating a nice bull flag. And what I've done is I've taken this low pivot all the way up to this high. And so this could take the S&P 500 all the way up to $816.55 if we can get this measured move on this bull flag to actually play out. So now this is a level that I'm going to be watching. Still like this third hit of this upswing trend line for a little bit of a pullback. But if it starts breaking that, my next upside target would be $816. And I know the market will be moving in about 30 minutes on the back of CPI. However, I have to make sure that this is done by the time my kids are ready for school. And so we're having to adjust the time a little bit. They get out the door around 9 o'clock, and we have to adjust for their schedule as well. So that's why the markets can move quite substantially, which is why I'm giving you the levels now, just in case the markets do move on the way down. So on the SPY, I do anticipate a little bit of a sell-off. So the first level of support is $760.40. The next level of support below that is $757.67. So if we can drop into these levels, should be a ton of support on the SPY. Now, on a measured move factor, $816 around this area is going to be where this measured move finally plays out. All right, here we go. Downswing trend line on the QQQ. Pivot top here, secondary hit, third hit. This is my resistance zone right here on the QQQ. And that goes from $736.40 all the way to $737.95. Ton of resistance on the way up, gap in the charts right here, secondary gap, downswing trend line. I don't anticipate it getting through this resistance zone without a fight. You notice how we're doing some bullish consolidation right here. I anticipate the same thing happening here. If we consolidate just like we're doing here on a 6 or 7 day basis, then all of a sudden it opens the door for further upside. But right now, this is really where I'm targeting for the resistance or the pullback on the QQQ. Now, on the back of CPI, if it is a really, really hawkish stance on this, then you could see a nice big pullback all the way back down to about $712.60. And you have this green bar candle low right here. And this is the area that I would be looking to play the QQQ, and that's 708.16. Now, if you're a lot more dovish, then all of a sudden it opens the door for upside targets to these resistance levels. So the SOXX, here is my resistance zone. If we can get a bid to the upside, as we're doing in the pre-market, good earnings on LITE, SMCI, and a bunch of other names, CRWV, great moves to the upside. Pivot top here, or a gap in the charts. So for me, this is where I'm looking at for a potential short opportunity for a day trade. Now, on more of a swing trade basis, this upsloping trend line is a neckline of a head and shoulders pattern. So if we can retrace to this upsloping trend line, this is the shortable level for me for a swing trade. On the way down, CPI comes in really bad for the economy. Then my level for support is sitting right here at $522.24. SMH, kind of similar price action, a little bit cleaner charts. Here's this pivot top right here that I'd be looking at. This would be an aggressive level for me on the SMH at 592.01. My conservative level is sitting right here at 606.88. And the in-between level is this red bar candle high and just below the $600 whole round number. So these are my resistance zones on the way up if the SMH continues to push. On the way down, $554.66. You have this low pivot in the charts right here, ton of support on the way down. And then if we do start breaking that level, you still have this gap sitting right here in the charts at $545.46 for additional support on the SMH. IWM, nice bullish consolidation inside of this green bar candle. This is telling me that we're looking to want to break out on the IWM. And so right now, basically the line that we have to break above is 302.72. If we do that, it really opens the door for a retrace of this upswing trend line. I'm going to have to readjust it just a little bit, bring it down here. So wherever it hits, maybe that's about $311. And then right here, about $312. That is going to be where the resistance level sits if we can start getting to through this pivot top right here. DXY still putting in that nice bearish consolidation right at the lower end. And again, this opens the door for another bid to the downside on the DXY with the SPY likely heading higher with the DXY dropping. The war in Iran is still, the tension is still there. So this is why USO is getting a nice bid in the morning. Not a huge surge to the upside, but as you can see, the last few days have been a great move. I like this 136.69 level. If we can get up to that level today, I would be looking to short USO. And I know that is still about another 6.5%, almost 7% to the upside. However, I still like that area. So if it does get to that level, then I'm shorting the USO today. Let's take a look at CoreWeave. So I had order blocks on earlier today to see where the next level of resistance on CoreWeave, because this is a stock that can really move. We'll look at this up move, sideways consolidation. So what the order blocks is telling me is that you've got some resistance from basically $112.82 all the way up to about $118.54. Ton of resistance. Now, if you zoom out in the charts, look at all this resistance. As you can see, you have a bunch of pivot tops right here, green bar candles, previous gaps in the charts that I really love. And what I really love, and a level that I'd be interested in possibly playing this for a short, is $111.18. You have this gap in the charts, or previous gap in the charts right here, and that's just below this big order block. And this was a bearish order block. As you can see, CoreWeave ended up selling off, finally making this push to the upside. But this is where I anticipate a little bit of a pullback on CoreWeave. Now, this is not going to be a huge pullback. I don't anticipate it dropping all the way back to this previous support level at $92. However, what I do anticipate is at least a 1 to 2% pullback. If it does start closing above $111.60, then I would look to stop out of it. My next level of resistance for me that I'd play this would be $120 whole round number Pierce. All right, HBR, H&R block, $54.86 is, I believe, is where it got to in the pre-market. Yep, right here. So H&R block, this is going to be a little bit of resistance. You zoom out and look at this price consolidation right in this area. So if we push above $54.86, which is going to be a ton of resistance on the way up, now that we've already gotten this pullback. However, if we get above that, what I'd be looking at is this pivot point right here. As you can see, this is price consolidation in this area, pivot top, consolidated right here was resistance, which tells me that $56.90 is going to be that secondary level of resistance on the way up on HRB. CAVA, nice push to the upside. I had this level right here at $70 Pierce, and that is where it got to when I started my charting this morning. Next level of resistance really is going to be $72.48. This is not something that I'd be interested in going any substantial portion of my portfolio. I would just be looking for a quick scalp and just a few $100s on a pullback. So I would be looking for a 1 to 2% pullback on something like CAVA. And the reason I like this level is you got this pivot top here, pivot low here, pivot low here, price consolidation. So for me, $72.48, you should be in that area for resistance. Next level resistance above that is really above $74 and that's at $74.41. ONON had this huge surge to the or pullback yesterday. It actually blew through a couple of my levels on the weekly time frame. Somebody was asking, okay, so now that ONON has already flushed these levels, where's your next level of support? Because it could be potential for a good swing trade. I love these levels right here. So you've got this low pivot right here at $30.69 all the way down to sub 30 bucks, and that's sitting at $29.84. If it does start closing below this low pivot though, I would just look to stop back out of that trade. All right, here we go. NBIS, nice push to the upside. $234.28 is my first resistance level on NBIS. However, that's aggressive. That's an aggressive level, and this is where the order blocks are basically telling me where the resistance level is. What I'd be looking for, because NBIS can really move, if we got up close to this level and consolidated, or we started to push really far above it, I'd be looking at this third hit of this down sloping trend line. This would be my entry price or my entry level, and now it's sitting at about a $240 pierce, likely at about $242.36, somewhere in that area. Not only that, but you've got this red bar candle high, previous gap in the charts, and then your secondary or third level of resistance really is going to be $246.49. So a couple of resistance levels on the way up on NBIS. Now, if I was being ultra conservative, what I'd look for is this red bar candle high or this pivot top right here. And that's a $250 pierce, and that would be a great potential shortable level on NBIS. All right, LITE, good reversal engulfing candle. However, it looked like that was the opportunity for all the market makers to decide to, or the institutions, to get all the bears on board, get everybody short, and then all of a sudden earnings come out and they blew them out. Now the resistance level, previous gap in the charts on the way up, this is the first level, and that's at $921.56. Ultra conservative right here at $944.28. For me, this would be my level that I'd look to short LITE, knowing that I've got this previous pivot top right here and all the way over to $960, whole round number. And I would just look to dollar cost average every $10 higher on LITE until it got up to this level. And if it did close above that on a 15-minute closing basis, I would look to stop out. All right, NVIDIA, not a ton is going on. We are up a little bit in the pre-market, sitting at $219.38. Again, CPI is going to make these things move usually quite substantially, mainly the indexes. However, NVIDIA will still move. So if we do get a pullback, look at this gap sitting at $211.94. Should get a nice support off of that level. If it does start flushing that, the next level of support is 206.64. On the way up, I've got a couple different levels. 227.18 is going to be my first resistance level, with my second resistance level sitting at $229.76. Micron, I like to go over this. This one, I don't really have a huge read, but I still like 937. And this is for a small pullback, maybe a 1% pullback. My ultra conservative level, if it does start breaking above this level, I do have a resistance level at 959.03. But really, I'm waiting for price action to get back up to $990.21. I would love for it to fill this gap for me to take advantage of a potential short. And then on a swing trade basis, if it retraces to this upswing trend line, I would short this on a swing trade basis. On the way down, if we do flush out, you have this previous gap right here at $829.50. Should get a little bit of support, but if it does start breaking below that, I would look for another support level about $790, or basically break 800 bucks, and then all of a sudden you should get a ton of support on Micron. SanDisk, similar price action, got a little gap in the charts. This is not something that I would be willing to play today, at least not at this level. 1350.50 is a gap, could get a little bit of a resistance there, but for me, I like this low pivot, and that's at 1485.02. ton of price resistance in this area. As you can see, it was resistance, got a little bit of support. Once it flushed that level, that gave further confidence for me that this was a huge resistance level on SanDisk. So on the way up, you should get a rejection right off of that level on SNDK. IREN is pushing up. We've been monitoring this inverse head and shoulders pattern for quite some time. Got this shoulder, head, shoulder. Now we're breaking out of that inverse head and shoulders pattern. First level of resistance on the way up, not a shortable level for me, is at $43.91. Your next level of resistance is this gap in the charts, sitting at about $45.78. If the measured move finally plays out, here's where your upside target is going to be, and that's sitting at $54.20. So that is going to be an area of resistance on the way up, at least on IREN. Here we go. And last but not least, Microsoft. We've got this nice surge to the upside after the back of earnings. So you've got this resistance zone. Now we're already through the first level of resistance that I had, which was $492.37. And then here's the upper end of this major resistance zone, and that's at $514.64. So right now, again, we're at the upper range of this. So what we need to happen, if you're a bull on Microsoft, you want to see price consolidating right at this level or a slow float on the way up. And that could annihilate this 514 level, and then it can start pushing to the upside. Or you need consolidation right here over the next 3, 4, or even 5 days, because what that does is it allows all of the sellers to exit that trade, and then what's left is all the buyers. If we start getting back below $492.37, which we've already made a continuation move above, this would negate this bullish sentiment in Microsoft, and then is likely to start rolling over. The next level of support below that is $481.63. You start flushing that level on Microsoft, and then we're going to start rolling over again. So I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you exactly which way Microsoft is going to go. And that's not what we do with technical analysis. We wait for price to consolidate and see where the market sentiment is going. So give us an idea of where the next movement in a particular stock is going. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And this may be the new time. I may actually have to push it to 7:45 so I can give you guys more information. So stay tuned. CPI is coming at 8:30. You should see a lot of volatility. And we'll see you guys next time in the charts. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.